Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Select parts that match performance needs and safety standards, starting with a 12V DC motor rated 200W and 8,000 RPM to spin the head fast enough for sugar melting. Cut a 3.5-inch stainless steel spinner head to shape, polish edges, and drill a central M6 hole for secure mounting. Wear heat-resistant gloves and eye protection when testing at 180 to 300 degrees C, and operate with a grounded chassis, a 30A fuse, and a thermal cutoff to prevent overheating and burns. Start by fabricating a rigid base plate and mounting the motor with spacers to align the spinner. Mount motor to base with M6 bolts and lock washers to avoid loosening during high RPM. Wire a 12V DC power supply with a 30A automotive fuse in the positive line, route ground to chassis, and include an on/off switch and reverse protection diode if using PWM control. Balance spinner by adding small weights until runout is under 1 mm, then tighten fasteners with thread locker for vibration safety. Warm the machine slowly to operating temperature and preheat spinner to 270 degrees C, then add 2 tablespoons granulated sugar to the melting chamber to establish steady floss production. Feed sugar steadily, avoid clumps, and use a 6-inch cone held at a shallow angle to collect floss into uniform layers while rotating the cone between hands. If yarn is weak, increase heat by 10 degrees C or reduce motor speed by 500 RPM. Clean clogged holes with a soft brush, and repeat balance checks after any repair to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.